Okay.
Well,
There we go.
You're electronic cable out, that kind of thing.
Okay. You're rolling.
Okay, you're gonna help too, right? You're not just gonna run away. Because
Dude,
you've now done one side. You're the resident expert.
Yes. So I'll tell you because I have to prepare for my music playing as well.
Come on.
Okay.
So.
So
Does not want to go. Where's the pliers? Do we have a nice set of pliers now?
we do have nice set. We have the what you call the vice grip.
Oh yeah.
And use those. I have smaller one, two.
You usually pop out so easily. I don't know why this one's being stupid.
I think I'll pull that. It can't be that hard.
Huh?
Can't be that hard.
I know. I did pull at it. It was just like more force than I was anticipating. That's all.
Okay. Here we are. Removing and installing right cylinder head. Charge air system. Replace all engine. We did that. So most of this is done. Disconnect hose. Disconnect connectors and engine bank. Let's get to the point where we are here. Disconnect connector, camshaft timing control. Unclip solenoid. So all these things are off actually already.
I can't even see what this is doing. Where is this?
This is, I've seen that part. I think it's long before, it's all long removed. So, basically Shishir, what you have to do is remove these three bolts, remove the cam cover,
Which three boys?
these three,
Oh.
and then
Exhaust
remove,
manifold. Wait, you have to take the turbo off?
no, this thing comes off with the exhaust manifold. See how the other head is? This thing comes off with this piece.
What's this thing? Exhaust manifold.
Yeah, with that, it comes off with the head.
Okay, so you are removing the turbo.
These three, well, the turbo still stays there on the engine block because it's only the exhaust manifold that comes off with the head. So take these off,
Cam covers.
cover off, then remove
What
remove
is
these.
this? I don't even know what I'm looking at here. Like, what is the orientation of this? I've seen this
Yes.
weird hose thing before. I just don't know where it is.
Yeah, it's there. I don't think we need to worry this time.
No. No, it's not that way. Something.
So I think that we're perfectly okay with the head will come off. See, this is off. This coolant pipe is off. Remove this. See here? I think.
Give me a second, dude.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to figure out where we are.
Yeah, we're way further ahead because we've done all this stuff. We've taken out all this intake manifold.
Yeah,
You know,
charge
he's
pipes,
we've
all
removed
that
all this stuff. We've done all this because it's just for
Bypass.
removing only this, right? I mean, if you were to do just this is what you would do. I did all this. All this done. Yeah, so now we're at the poly drive place. So this is where you are. So remove this. And I think just before this.
This
maybe
is
just
the poly. No, this is hex.
This is hex.
Of course, it's hex.
And here, what you have to do one more thing. This guy, that is this fellow. I bet this guy. See this? Really? Look.
Yeah, I'm just trying to like figure out what's what here. And then,
Think this way.
yeah, this thing was in here, right?
Yeah, it's taken out. You took it out actually.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
No, it's gone. Take it out. I think it meant to be taken out because this piece comes off.
I know. I'm just trying to like, yeah, this is where that went.
And then this guy, remove this.
They're trying to remove something.
So remove this. This has already been removed. I removed it. So yeah, I think all you have to do is remove these three bolts.
What are you removing?
This guy and this fellow.
You sure?
Yes, because that's connected to the head that's going to come off.
That's what they're talking about here?
I think so, yes. That's what that looks like. And in any case, I know that this valve cover comes off and then we disconnect the turbocharger bolts, that thing, and then you use your poly drive to disconnect the head, and then the whole thing lifts off. But you should rotate the engine so that it's, once you remove this, you can do that. Remove it, so remove the engine, rotate the engine so that this head is facing off.
Okay. So where is your little like crank thing to rotate this? Oh, here. Covered by huge amount of
I think you can do that later. You can do, first you do this because it's easier to
cam
access.
cover.
Cam cover, turbocharger bolts,
Yeah.
and then you can even take, then when you start deploying the poly drive, you can.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
I think you
So
have.
those and. That's what this is. There should be. I guess you already took it off. There should have been one up here.
Yes,
You've taken this off.
I guess so.
So this one is not this. That's this.
We have to take that off. That's what I said.
No,
Yeah,
no,
that's
no,
that.
that's
we have
this.
to take that off too.
You've taken off the top one.
Yes.
You've also taken off these things. There were ones here.
Yeah,
too.
yeah, yeah. I removed them because they said to move the coolant pipe and it would not move. And see, these are all free and clear here.
Okay. Well, I'll do that one last. This is an 8, right? This is 10.
Looks like a 10. And not driver maybe or a socket, a small socket.
Dude, what is this?
Yeah, that's one of the things that I don't know. I forgot to label. It's in the front here somewhere. It's one of these guys on the other side.
A lot of organization, man.
Yeah. Maru.
Where?
I don't know.
At all?
There's a whole lot of people in there.
No.
Okay, just leave it, okay? We'll figure it out.
Dude. You can't do that.
See, which I put that later at the Maru. If you want to get this going. Come on.
Well, we can't like lose this stuff.
No, we won't lose it. Give it to me. I label it. Unknown bolt in the front of the engine.
How do you know it's from the front?
Because I know it's in the front. I know.
Alright. What is this? 10. Oops. No, it's too big.
So from Maru.
You're giving me crap for not being organized. This is 10. Extension. You have been taking pictures, right?
Yeah, well, I've been taking pictures and labeling everything and talking to the
Except
camera.
that one?
Talking to the camera.
We'll have to like backtrack that one.
Yeah, say everything that you're doing so that you remember and label.
What's there to say about this though?
Yeah, removing cam cover, right?
Cam cover.
Yeah. I mean, whatever I did and I couldn't figure out, I told
Yeah,
you.
it's probably this.
It's not difficult.
Oh, that's
It's not a big deal.
I think it's just timing. Cam timing or something. So it's a cam timing sensor. Alright. 10mm cam cover.
Don't block the
nuts.
camera.
I can't not block the camera.
No, I mean, as far as possible. Just remember that the camera is over.
What the heck is this?
Some bracket or something.
Alright, bracket or something. Let me see.
Then you don't have to remove that, do you?
Can cover it. Have to.
No, this.
No, but it was covered in there. Yeah. I'll just keep all six and then do them all at once. The bags and stuff are still in there? Wait, where is the plastic bags?
Right here.
They're all there, not in that big box?
Nope.
How come?
The big box is not accessible easily.
Wait, just open that box.
And you should have a hockey. So they're right here. So this is passenger side. Right side. Kind of have to break it loose a bit.
There you go.
Give me all the screws.
Huh?
Give me all the screws. Next. Should be 6 or 8 or 6. Oddly enough, there are 8 head bolts, not 6. Which is kind of.
Is it? How so?
It's not really odd. I mean, I thought there were only 6 and I was just not coming off. Turns out there are 8. It's like, straddling the 3 intervals and 4 something.
This will work. This might be too thick.
You should be able to pull it
What is
this
this that has now been covered in grease? Oh, this is the
way.
manual.
Get that hose hook. It will fit in perfectly into this if you just